Earn 500 per day posting free ads. I'm talking about ads that will be seen by thousands of buyers per month. These ads are in categories such as services, automobile vehicle, pets and care, for sale stuff like books, camera, businesses and different things, events and entertainment, jobs, health and lifestyle, real estate, and much more. We're ready right now to really show you how you can really post ads and earn 500 per day. Now, if this is the first time being on my channel, please subscribe to my channel where I share daily about affiliate marketing, ways of making money online, and much more. So, I'll be using services like Clickbank and Digistore24. So I'm ready right now to jump in. However, if you don't have a Clickbank account, it's very easy to sign up. You can just come towards clickbank.com and you click right here. Next thing you press sign up, and it's very simple as they will ask you just some very simple information which is nothing hard. It's all about your country, your first name, your last name, your phone number, your address, and you gotta put in a password. That's how simple and easy it is for you to sign up with Clickbank. Digistore is just the same. The only point is that Clickbank do not work in some countries. However, with Digistore, you can get access towards many products same way as I can really show you some of the products on the inside of Digistore, and you can really look at many products right here and see. Once you click on the marketplace, you got a ton load of products that you are ready to start promoting and making money. It's nothing hard. It's very simple and easy way for you to make money. So you got in the category of animals and pets, betting, business and investment, computer and internet, and many different categories keep on going on, as you can see it right here. So it's very simple and easy. Now, you've been looking at thousands of products right here on Digistore24, and if I go over to Clickbank, it's just the same. You are looking at thousands of products, and within all these products, you gotta just choose one that you gotta promote. And you've been looking at commission from 50% towards even 90% commission. You're looking at this product right here now, right, which you can earn 85% commission, which you'll be earning a $103 every time someone buy this product through your link. Here you go, many more products, and you'll be earning commission, as I say, from 50% up to even 90% commission you can earn here. So let I go over into Clickbank. So I'm here in Clickbank at the marketplace, and as you can see, you have different categories where you can really go into and get all the different products that you're ready to promote. Otherwise, you can just click this magnifying glass and a bunch of products being pop up ready for you to start promoting right now. So as you've been looking at these products, you can see you have point where we're earning commission of $115, $153, and you keep going on and on and on. However, the prices can be very differentiated in ways such as what type of product you've been promoting, whether it's in the make money niche, health and fitness niche, or otherwise different type of niche. It can be verified of different amount of money that you can gain. As you can see here, you have product with commission of $260, product with the same commission of $657. So it's just based on the type category that you may really look into. However, I will be just dancing into the point of getting a product, definitely without even doing a search. Definitely I will be just making Clickbank give me a product that is being placed as number one on their platform. I'm just going to click this magnifying glass and get things going on for me right now. Here is it. And I will just decide to say, okay, I'm going to promote this product as I've seen here in the second spot. Right. So I'm just going to click on this is the affiliate page. I will click here to get it, and here I will click to get the sales page. So let us see, the affiliate page is here, ready, loading. The sales page is loading as well. So I will just see which one come up for me. Right here. Right here is the affiliate page where you get a lot of information on this product, what it is and how it really works. So you get even the idea of what keyword you got to use. Tropical loophole, dissolve fat, right? And the tags will be weight loss and metalis. So you can just run through this, and here as you can see you have some email swipes, right? So you've been looking at 5 email swipes and image product images. Definitely that you can really grab image and decide what image you want to use to promote. So as you can see, very interested images are here ready to use. However, let us take a look at the sales page. Right, the sales page been showing something similar towards the affiliate page, but there is much more information and a converting information for the customer, or to say the prospects. Right, so lots of information as well to digest. So this product look very well, where we can really use it right now to say, okay, we want to start promoting. So I get back over to the affiliate page, and I will do something like, okay, wow, this one. Right, so I'm gonna need one of the email swipes to really do what I gotta do, and let us see what image can I find. Right, so I've downloaded 2 of this image. Definitely I take this one, and I move on to the point that I also take this one, which say 5-second tropical loophole dissolve, £59. That is something very to the point where everyone really want to look at to say if they want to lose weight, right? So now I'm ready to really show you the entire platform that I'm ready right now to post free advertisement on. And the name of the platform is Class Ties. So Class Ties is the name of the platform that I'm ready right now to post my free advertisement and my free ads, and this can be shown out towards thousands of people. So if you have never heard about Class Ties, now you have heard about it, and now you are ready to really see what the inside of it is all about. So we are going to go into the point of posting an ads right now. So I click on post free ads and wait for it to load up. So here's it now, ready for you to really create a post. As you can see, post free ads without registering. It's 100% free. So we can just create our post right away. And as you can see, there are posts of things right now. You're looking at some very simple things, and you can see the prices as well. Here you gotta select your country, and you want to state that you gotta select that you're gonna post this advertisement within. With state it will show up. So I already chose the country, which is United States, the state, the city, and my category is health and lifestyle. I could not find anything such as weight loss, so I use other health and lifestyle. And we'll just keep going on to say, okay, we have a special offer, so giving the people in my entire offer. And as I say that, I will use something from the affiliate page, and I will use the email. So I will use email too. And once I copy, I'm ready to go over here and paste right here in the ticker. I'll also take my entire details from this entire email swipes that they have here, and we put it all out for everyone to really take a look at. All right, So the image, ready now to get the image up and running. And which one of the image should we choose here? Right, so a maximum 4 images. Right, so the website, I would normally take the entire app link and put it. So I click on promote. Once I click on promote, I will get my app link, which would be my affiliate link for me to start promote this product. So I click here to generate my link. I will copy my link. And once I copy, I will go over to bit.ly and I will just go to the point to shorten my URL. So I paste the long ugly URL right here, and once I paste it, I'll press shorten and get it short and nice. So I copy this link, get right back over to my entire ad, and I will paste my link right here. Right, once I paste my link there, I can really look to the point if I really want to have such as my contact address, contact number, or email, which I haven't found it necessary, especially for me, which is not in towards the health and fitness niche, but I only do this in order to really show you exactly. And this can be work in any niche, definitely. So there's nothing for you to really worry about. You just do what you gotta do. Right. So now I have all going, and what I gotta click is to say yes, I accept the term and post my ad here for free. So here, post it free. Once I click that, I'll watch this loading, and here it goes. It says thank you for using class ties. Right? You can also go ahead and post other rest of ads and so on. You may want to do their severe. Until they just want to know how you really feel about their entire page. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, come over to my channel and click this button and subscribe right away, and look forward for much more video I have to put out for you anytime soon. Alright, so thank you for watching.